Hello friends. When we are trying to transport some goods from one place to another or from one country to another in our business transaction, we do insurance. Why do we do insurance? Because we don't want to have the risk of the goods getting lost, of the goods getting spoiled, of the goods not reaching the destination of what we have already planned for. Now, why we are doing this insurance? Because we don't know what sort of a uncertainty will come to our transaction. Okay, see, so you want to insure your goods, you want to insure your products so that your money is saved. Okay, now we also do vehicle insurance because we are afraid that the police will catch us. We are afraid that our new vehicle which we have bought doesn't hit due to an accident and get damaged, and we start spending money on that. Correct? So we do vehicle insurance also. So my dear friends, I'll just quote these two examples and relate to something which is very important in life. When you are able to insure your goods in the business transaction for insurance and your vehicle which you are going to ride, and you are very afraid because you love your vehicle a lot, that nothing should damage your vehicle, and even if it is getting damaged, your money should not be lost. Okay? When these two things, you try to take insurance immediately without anybody telling you, why you are not taking insurance on your own life, which is the first and the foremost important thing? Is it not that your life is very important for you? Is it not that your life is very important for your family members? Is it not that your life is the most precious gift God has given you? Think about it, my dear friends. More than you, your family requires insurance on your life because they are dependent on you, because they are dependent on your income, because they want to fulfill the aims and ambitions what you together have formed by, an income which you are bringing to the family, by the housing loan you have taken for them to live comfortably, for the personal loan to fulfill the commitments in the form of the luxuries you have made in the house, for the gold loan because you wanted to promote your business or something like that. So every type of loan needs insurance. But above all, your life needs insurance because your family is very, very dear to you. They should not suffer even if you're not there. If you are there, fantastic, you are going to take care of it. But if you're not there, imagine, which is not in your hands, which is not in our hands, which is not in anybody else. They need to be comfortable. They should not be depending upon anybody. They should not be depending financially on anybody, but still carry on with the aims and ambitions you have laid. They should have their education through. They should have the minimum standards of living what you have said. They should live in the same house. They should fulfill their education and settle in a job. They should also get a retirement income so that you are always making a pre-planning, offsetting all the risk of uncertainties. Does it make sense? Does this resonate with what is uncertainty? Because, my dear friends, if you are not going to take the first step, then the sufferers are the family and not you. Think about how much you love your family. Think about how much you want your family to be comfortable, even if you are not there or even if you are there. See how much of peace of mind you will get when life insurance on your life is taken. How much you can sleep peacefully that yes, I've done my duty. I've really done my duty so that nothing is going to suffer even if I'm not there. That is called the maturity. Things should go on when you're there and when you're not there. That is called automation in life. Okay, a life where things should go on without depending upon anyone. That is a very important point, my friend. Think about that. And if you want to take insurance, on how much of insurance you need to take and what all types of insurance you need to take, contact me at the mobile number given in the description box, and I will help you see that you take insurance. You secure not only your life but your family's safety, family's independency, and also make yourself sleep peacefully and happily and make your life prosperous. Okay, my dear friends, with these few things, I will end my video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and subscribe to the bell button so that these finer concepts and beautiful concepts will come to you as a notification. Okay, see you, bye. See that you take insurance and see that you also enlighten your friends and relatives on the same concept what I have told you. Okay, bye.